How to automatically restore window arrangement from last time in iTerm? I have two old Macs, both have iTerm 2 installed and could automatically restore window arrangement, tabs with different directories and colors, from last time after launch. I forget what configuration I've made for both. Now I'm setting up a new Mac with iTerm 2, but could never get automatically restore window arrangement from last time working there. What I've tried. Compared with the working ones, check and set the preferences one by one. Clone the working ~library/preferences/com.googlecode.iTerm2.list. Preferences and GT, profiles and GT, general and GT, working directory and GT. Reuse previous sessions directory, but I think this impacts when you open a new tab, not for launch. Menu and GT, window and GT, save window arrangement and GT, and save it as default. But in this case, every time if I launch from start, iTerm always restore fixed window arrangement from the save. I don't want to save any pattern, I just want to restore whatever I have from last time. All the things I've tried could not make it work. Could anyone tell me what should I do, please? Thanks a lot. iTerm version, iTerm 21_0_0_20,140,112.
In iTerm 2's preferences, send D+, change general and GT, start up from, open default window arrangement, 2, use system window restoration setting. In system preferences, turn off general and GT, close windows when quitting an app.
In 2019, iTerm v3.2.9, what works for me is save your current arrangement by clicking CMD plus Shift plus S, or go Window and GT, save window arrangement. Now go to iTerm 2 and GT, Preferences in GT, Arrangements in GT, select your arrangement in the list of arrangements in GT, click Set Default at the bottom. Preferences in GT, General and GT, starts up to open default window arrangement. Now when you reopen iTerm at any point it will open your new arrangement.
I wrote a program designed to solve this pain point for myself, which allows you to create predefined layouts of panes and commands for different projects/setups, etc., and then load them in iTerm whenever you want. It is called iTerm, and you can download it and the source code via GitHub, this URL.
I se avanza super, grazie, super subscribing.